Baser is basically a base company. Many years ago, my dad invented a parasol base that is very unique compared to the market. And I was a teenager at that time, and he had it in a drawer, and I felt there gotta be somebody who might think this is a cool product. So we started inventing and developing it a few years ago. We started making this construction, this locking system that we have patented today. So it fits any kind of parasol and beyond all makes it super flexible because you have the locking system and the sandbags separated, and that makes it's easy to move around and position close to tables and chairs.
We have a mission to make the best base products in the world beyond parasol bases. At the moment we started with a parasol base for the terrace, and then in the beginning of this year we launched the little sister of the parasol base, which is a parasol base for the balconies. I was using SOLIDWORKS at university, so it was natural to me to also use it here at Baser. I knew with SOLIDWORKS I could take it from first idea to finished products, and it's also where I have the most experience in. So that was why we chose SOLIDWORKS. It was a natural choice. I contacted PLM Group to hear if there was any kind of solutions where we could use SOLIDWORKS for free. And then we was presented to this entrepreneurial license, which was perfect, which allowed us to have SOLIDWORKS for free for 12 months. Actually, we launched 2 products within that period of time and got customers afterwards. If we did not get the free entrepreneurial license, then we would have been forced to find another CAD solution. Yeah.
It was a huge difference for us to get an entrepreneurial license. We could not have started with SOLIDWORKS in other ways, you could say, because when you're so small, we were only 3 people. We did not have the finances to go and buy a huge software. Since we can use the tool from all the way from product development to finalizing to renderings to sales, we can use it. You could say in the full lifetime of the product, then it makes the tool super valuable for the whole company.
SOLIDWORKS gave us the options to do rapid prototyping, so we could test our prototypes and easily apply the changes in SOLIDWORKS. Do prototypes again, test, evaluate and apply the changes. We could do simulations, so we could see, okay, if we change the size, remove some of the material from here, what will happen? Because one thing is to have a product that is ready for production. How can you optimize on that product before it goes into production to reduce the amount of materials or reduce the cycling time and so on and so on. Also, we have some collaborators on our product development, and they are also using SOLIDWORKS. So it's great that we are speaking the same language and can actually open each other's files, so we can help each other out. So mostly we did CAD modeling and simulations. If we didn't have those tools, then it would not be possible to do. So it was not a help, it was a need. From time to time we have had some difficulties or some problems with SOLIDWORKS, and PLM Group is just super fast at helping. Their customer support is professional and helpful, so that was a huge plus. We felt that they were actually caring about startups and the startup community, so it was the obvious choice to collaborate with them.
We have always felt that PLM Group and the collaboration with us has been significant. Whenever there has been an issue with software, or there has all the time been a person that could help us. So for me, as the managing director, I have felt that everything has just been running smooth. It has been a really good win-win collaboration, you could say. At Baser we're growing a lot, in particularly throughout Germany and Austria, and to the rest of Europe, you can say. So in that process and in that journey, we definitely see SOLIDWORKS as a part of it, because we have a huge list of complementing products that we would like to develop and that can participate in growing the business. And it's naturally that SOLIDWORKS is something we will use to develop those products and sell those products.